Hey, hello all. Welcome back to MyDotNet YouTube channel. If anybody who have not yet subscribed, request to subscribe to the channel to get the most updated Microsoft feeds and the news. Today we are going to discuss about Visual Studio extensions. One is Solution and another one is Solution X. So the future of .NET solutions is Solution X. So say hello to the Solution X format. The new solution format is simple XML and cleaner, readable and kid friendly too. So let us discuss about what is Solution X. So Solution X is basically a simpler XML based solution file which was introduced along with Visual Studio 17.3 plus updates. So it is very neat, clean and minimal, very minimal, and then actually readable humans and controlled by humans, and very few merge conflicts. And if you look into the older format here, so it has lots of GUID and lot of configurations, unnecessary references, many more. So this is very much difficult for us to understand what is this GUID is, what is this configurations is, what are these references is. Without knowing, we might have made lots of mistakes and cause project errors and build errors. So if you come to the latest Solution X format, you have very minimal. It is giving you reference to the CS project and whatever is necessary, very minimal. So you don't need to do all of those unnecessary configurations here. So why you need to switch to Solution X? Because see, the old solution format is 20 plus years old and it is definitely not made for humans, because we don't understand what are the GUIDs and what are the references, what are any other configurations. So it is all made for machines. So we don't need to do all of those things there. So just we don't understood, like we have made a lot of mistakes, a lot of wrong configurations and cause conflict errors and much more things. So um, so right now, if you go to Solution X format, you don't need to do all of those things. It all handles by Visual Studio, and what you need to do is whatever is required. So that is what is Solution X. And then we spoke about legacy app. So let us come to Solution X, the modern app, what it is. So it comes with .NET 10 and it is very standardized XML format, and we all can read and edit. And mainly, importantly, it is 88.6. We can say 89% smaller than the earlier Solution X files, and it has very minimal structure, and you don't need to write any GUID or any other configuration, and it is importantly MS build and CLI ready. So if you guys have missed my earlier video, please go ahead and see, and I have shown the project with the Solution X and how it was built and how it is useful and how it is optimized, and it has minimal configurations too. Let's go and see the format and the comparison between two Solution X. And at the left side, I couldn't add all the lines because the earliest file has hundreds of lines to show. But so just for the demo purpose, I am showing you only the header of the solution file. In the header only, we can see lots of things that we cannot read. I don't know what is this GUID and things. So if you come to the Solution X file in the latest format, I can see, okay, I'm targeting to any CPU, and this is the project configuration file. So how simple it is, I can read and I can understand also. So that's it. So this is real, this is in .NET 10. So how to convert? If you want to go with Visual Studio, just go to file and save solution as, and then choose Solution X and then save it. Yes, done. So your project is converted to Solution X file, and it will take out all of your references, configurations, everything from the file, and it will keep it very simple. And if you want to go with CLI, like if you are using VS Code, you can also do it. Just use .NET solution command and then migrate it. So that will also do the same whatever the Visual Studio does. So it is as simple as this. You don't need to worry so much like how you need to convert. Then in the real world, how important and how it really improves the performance, and um, it removes all of the difficulties in the project's configuration. So You can refer multiple projects in one single file, and it is very clean XML, and you don't have any GUID here, and it is very git friendly because it will give you 1 or 2% of not even 1 or 2%. It will give you very minimum conflicts when you go to the git compile, and then it is MS build ready. You can directly go to any command prompt and access your solution file, and then use .NET run, it will run. So you don't need any extra package, or you don't need to build any package. So it is all MS built ready. And the key improvements, if you want to talk, then it will take out all the GUIDs, and in the file comparison, it is almost 89% lesser. So obviously, so it is very smaller and performs better, and it will give you high performance and even less complexity. So should you switch? So just take a look at it. When you should switch? If you are using 17.3 plus, and if you are MS build ready, then welcome. You can use SolutionX format, and you will get rid of all the merge conflicts, and it is very human friendly as well. And it comes with .NET 10. It is defaulted in .NET 10. And when you should not, then if your team is working on older versions and any third-party dependencies, and when your CI/CD lines are using 17 plus .12 or older versions, then it is blocked. I would suggest you to migrate those projects into the latest update to the 17.13 plus, and then you can convert to SolutionX. Yeah, so SolutionX is the future of .NET solutions, and it is standard XML, very small in size, and configurations are very much simple and no complexity and no much conflicts. If you guys have liked my video, please share, subscribe, and put your comments, whatever you guys have your thoughts on it. I'll come back with my next updated or latest features in my next video. Till then, have a good day. Thanks for watching.